going to show you how to fix a printer where the black ink is not printing. This is an HP OfficeJet, but really would work with any printer. So this is an example here. I did a test page, and you can look at the test page here, and there's no black ink on it. It just printed everything in color. Even the woman's hair, which I'm assuming would have been black hair, is pink. So you can kind of see there's an issue with that cartridge. This color cartridge, I looked at the bottom here, and that looks fine. It doesn't look clogged up or anything. But I looked at the black one, and look how just clogged it looks, and the ink is not getting through. So what I'm going to do is I went ahead and I have an alcohol pad here. You can do it with a paper towel as well, but I'm just taking the alcohol pad and kind of blotting a little bit where the black ink is going through. Some of these, on some printers, you can actually take this piece out and clean it out. But this one, it looked like more trouble than it was worth. So I just went ahead and blotted it with this alcohol pad. Sorry, the view is pretty hard to get here. I just kind of had to prop up a light. But anyways, this is the 63. That's what it's recommending. It's the HP brand. And that's what I have now. I have a new black cartridge. And then the color cartridge I'm going to reuse because that one was fine. So we'll just go ahead and take off this protective adhesive here, exposing the bottom piece. And we'll go ahead and get this ready to put in here. And it kind of shows you how you're going to put it in. You just slide it in until it clicks. Make sure this portion is here. The other one will go ahead and do the same. This is the color. We'll push it back until it clicks as well. And then we'll go ahead and back out here. Close up the printer. Close up the two compartments here. And then once you do that, I was just getting a little stuck on the edge there. Once you do that, it'll align cartridge, or align the printer. And so that's what it's doing now. And I think this one, I almost think this one was a refurbished cartridge. I don't know why it was looking like that. It had a strange little creature on it, but either way, they should work. And now we went ahead and printed a test page. This one, it looks like it's printing out black ink. Looks like we're good to go here. Of course, before you finish up, you're going to want to just print this whole thing out, scan the alignment page like you're used to, put it on the scanner, and go ahead and line everything up. I hope this video helped, guys.